Kevin from it. I bought this IPA hair removal laser. It is wonderful. Comes in a very nice box, very handy. And you should subscribe to High Grade. It's a great product, wonderful. And the phone number for Canada, USA is 1-587-429-7878. And for India, 091-800-60046. Subscribe to High Grade. It is a wonderful product. Comes in a professional, beautiful box, and High Grade is very professional. Subscribe, very professional. Again, it comes in a beautiful box, and stuff run to a watch, waste $1,000 on a salon. You'd be at your home, very comfortable, and remove your hair. You don't have to deal with the pain. You don't have to waste money. And the pat's very professional. Comes in a nice bag. You can fit it in your bathroom. Not big, not bulky. Comes like this. Very professional. Very nice. The gun fits your hand. Very lightweight. Very comfortable. Just like that. And it comes with the razor. Before you start, you have to wear these glasses. And if you're wearing like everyday glasses, they'll fit right over your glasses, just like that. You have to wear these, very professional. And it comes with a nice etcha laser that goes off like that. Put it on, 2 minutes, boom, ready to go. Each one equals 4,000. So strong the lasers, but total is 800,000. They equal. Very professional, and it comes in a nice box, the extra one. Pat, very professional, very nice. So this every second day you use it, and you in about 2 days you'll get results. So it takes time, and how convenient. Do it at home instead of wasting gas, going to the salon, waste money. Do it at home. Less painful. It does professional. You don't have to again waste money. You be at home comfort. It comes at LCD, the screen, very nice. And here's a extension power cord that you just plug it in. Very nice. That just plug it in like this. Oh, just like that. And then you see a light up red right here when you plug it in, so you know you turn it on like this, and LCD will come on. Hear a fan running, very quiet, very nice. And when you first use it, you'll see a screen. It goes up to 5 modes, but you want to go to the first mode when you're first trying out. And before you do it, it says it runs very quiet, very nice. You have to get the razor that you have to do your arm before you do it. It comes in a very nice bag, just like this. So you just if you do your arm, you just shave like that. You don't have to deal with wax, and sometimes ladies get hair in the forehead, the chin right here. Great for females that get their hair. You don't have to waste money, you have to go through painful going wax. You just use it right there and comfort at home. That's just wonderful. So I will show you. You have to put your glasses on. So stay your everyday glasses, but it will fit over your glasses. But I'm taking mine off to show you. So these are glasses right here. You have to wear these when you're using it. So when this will flash, when this flashes green, that's when you know which way to use. And that you'll see it light just like that. So when it flashes green, it's ready to use, and you just hold it and it'll move your hair. And you'll see a light flash. So you hold the spots where you want to get done. And it will leave no rash. It's not painful. How handy is that? At comfort home, you can just remove hair on your chest. Believe your legs you can do. Your arms. So that's just wonderful for a man and lady to use. Just wonderful. I love the product. It is a must buy because you save money instead of going to salon. And it comes with the 1-year warranty. You can't beat that. In fact, that's so light and it's very quiet, very portable. How handy is that? fits your hands just like that. You don't have to worry about wasting money. Do it comfort at your home. You can sit on your couch, your chair, and you can start, there you go, start waxing. And it's just wonderful. So I would buy this. You have to buy this, and to turn it on, it should go on off just like that. And you just unplug it. And it's easy, clean. You just take this off, you wipe it down, you're all set to go. And it's so handy that it can put in your bathroom, on yourself, and it just don't take a lot of space. So how handy is that? You save thousands of dollars. So subscribe to High Grade. And again, number for Canada is 1-587-429-7878, and from India 091-8000-6004. And subscribe to High Grade. You must get the product. It's wonderful. I love it. So get the product. Subscribe to High Grade. Name Kevin Vermette. Great. 2 thumbs up. So have a great day and get this product. It's IPL hair removal laser machine. It is wonderful. The number for Canada, USA is 581-587-429-7878. India 091-800-6004. Subscribe to High Grade. It's wonderful. Have a great day. 2 thumbs up. Thank you.